Hey guys, today we're reacting to Among Us. Okay. Yippity yay! Yeah, you can just work. Yippity yo! Yippity yay! Yippity yo! La la! Yeah, closer. Exit at the beginning. Okay. Yeah. Playing some Among Us today, guys. What we in? Yeah. Good gift cube, snack, yeah. Oh! Nice. How cool. Yippity yay! Yippity yo! Yippity yay! Yippity yo! Alpha. Ooh la la! Yippity yay! Yippity yo! Yippity yay! Yippity yo! Ooh la la! I hate this. I'm not the imposter. Go down. Do I make the screen smaller? Why? Okay, what do you want? Wild, what's wild in? Okay. Scene transitions. Right. Wow. Wow. Sidebar blocked out. Am I blinking? Who called this meeting? Oh, you can. Bender Yellow. Oh, shit. Oh no! Wait, I wonder how loud I can be. Two times. How is that a tie? Because look, it says tie, but there was two on skip, one on the other and one on the other one. The other one. Right, what are we doing? Oh, we're swipe. Okay. First right, no, actual trash. Okay, there you go. At least you got one. Oh. Well, I don't even have anything. He's just dragging around your snowman. Like black sauce. No, like we'll do it right. Anyway, you guys ever heard of like a game called Among Us? Yeah, like Among Us, cause like you know how Among Us is like a really popular game.